I'm just going to begin by parting my hair and using some of my Cream of Nature edge control. That's one of my favorite edge controls when I'm doing my hair or I'm doing a client's hair. It does turn greasy, but when you're doing protective styles, you want moisture in your hair. You want to keep your hair moisturized. You don't want it to get dry and brittle and start to break off. My hair has grown a lot using Cream of Nature edge control and doing protective styles like braids and passion twists and stuff like that. So I really like the Cream of Nature edge control for like moisturizing my parts when I'm doing my hair. So as you can see, I will be doing the triangle parts, and I'm going to do the knotless braids, but I'm doing them kind of small. And all you do is basically start off braiding your hair and then feeding in the kink-along hair. So as you can see here, I'm adding in my Freetress water wave hair on the ends, and that's going to make it extra long, and it's going to make the little curl on the end. Now, I like to put the curl on the end of my braids because I feel like it takes it from being like regular braids to making it a little classy. So if you're going to work or you're going out and you don't want your braids to look like, you know, regular old hood braids, then you add that little curl at the end to give it a little spin and jazz it up. Then you can kind of dress it up. So when you're doing the triangle parts, what you want to do is you want to start your next triangle based off the one that you did previously. So you want to go like a straight on triangle, and then you do like an upside down, then straight on, then upside down triangle, and you just keep going like that. So when you move on to the next row, you continue to do the same thing and you just line them up. Now, because I'm doing my own hair and not a client's hair, my triangle parts are not going to be as perfect as I do them when I do my clients. So just bear with me, and that's okay. You know, it's not supposed to be perfect. Your hairstyle doesn't have to be perfect, especially when you're doing like box braids and stuff like that. Your parts do not have to be perfect. You can part it any kind of way you want, as long as it's neat and you use that edge control to make it look neat and defined. It's gonna look good. Now when you begin braiding, only braid a very little and then start feeding the hair in. The hair that I'm using to feed into my braids is the pre-stretched hair. You can use any brand, I guess. I use the Easy Braid pre-stretched hair, and that hair is pretty good. I like that hair. So you just feed it in, and I feed in about 3 pieces to each braid to get them that size. And then I put my freetress hair down at the bottom to make them extra long and to give it that curl. Also remember, this video is to show you how to do it yourself, do your own hair. Now when I'm doing a client's hair, normally you don't want these braids to start off small and then get bigger, but because I'm doing my own hair, it's not perfect. But if I were doing a client hair, the braids would start the same size and finish the same size. So now I'm going to slick my edges down with the Style Factor Edge Boost. This edge control is not like all the other edge controls, guys. It really slicks your edges down. I say that in all my videos. I stand by this stuff, but you have to rub it in. As you can see how I'm taking my time and rubbing that stuff in, because it will turn white and flaky. So you have to rub it in really good. That's the key to using that, or else it will turn white. As you can see, my triangle parts are not perfectly aligned, but they still look pretty good because everything is nice and slick and still pretty neat. Hope you guys like this video. Trying to get better at this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?